What are you doing here?
Rafi, no gimmicks this time around. Tayong dalawa lang. I want to make things right with you. I want a lifetime commitment with you because I love you. Rafi, I want to be married to you. Please. Please, Rafi, will you marry me?
No. Anton, pinag-isipan ko na to eh. Ilang beses ko pinag-isipan anong sasabihin ko if ever you ask me to marry you again. The answer was always no.
Bakit?
Kasi masyado na tayo nasaktan. Masyado na rin tayo nakasakit. There's been betrayal. There's been lies. And even if I know you didn't want to hurt me, ginawa mo pa rin eh.
I know.
And we've just become two different people, Anton.
But Rafi, I love you. I always have.
I know. Yun nga yung sayang eh, because I know that the love is there, but wala na yung trust, Anton. And as much as I want to fix this, the damage has been done. I just want to forget about all of this, Anton, and move on. But not with you. Years from now, I will not look back at this with regret. Kasi may natutunan ako.
I will forever regret having hurt the person I love and risk the relationship I value. Nagawa ko na. Di ko na mababawi.